Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Sri Shamsi Ika Diani. I'm 40 years old. I come from Cilacap, Central Java of Indonesia. I'm Muslim. I'm married. I have 3 sons. My height is 149 cm. My weight is 64 kg. I'm not afraid of the dog. I can take care baby, children, and elderly. My last education is senior high school. I have experience before in Singapore 2 times, 2018 until 2021. Then I have worked in Singapore 2025 until 2026. My job is general housekeeping, marketing, cooking, washing, ironing, take care children and elderly. I can cook Chinese food, for example, steamed fish, steamed chicken, steamed egg, stir fry vegetable, boiled vegetable, spaghetti, porridge, and soup. I'm not eat pork, but I can handle cook and pork. I want to go to Hong Kong because I want to earn more money for my family and my future. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Hong Kong. Bye-bye.